So I got this label maker. It is a multifunctional portable label maker, and we're just gonna open it and see what it's all about. Not sure exactly. Never used one before, but it comes with a quick start guide in a couple different languages, it looks like. So I'm gonna need to read that for sure. It has a warning label, electrical safety, don't puncture or the battery. And it comes packaged. Ooh. We have our USB cord with a USB part also to charge it. And open it up and see what it's all about, because I have no idea. Wide label paper, easy to use, no ink needed. But I need some paper. So there's an on button. Let's see. It says welcome. It says I am a sample. Looks like you open it up. And it's got little paper in there. And then it just went like that. But I'm pretty sure you hook it to your phone, and then you can make the label say whatever you want. So, yes, there's an app to download, and then I bet that's where you make all your stuff. So I will come back and let you know after I read all these directions. There's a lot of directions here. And let you see how it goes. But definitely gonna download that app and then print out some labels, and we'll see how it goes.